Hello, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'd like to give a shout out to Adam at 6 Elements Workshop. He built me my custom maker stamps. He sells a bunch of other stuff on his website, but I went there for just the stamps. And I might purchase some other things, because I've seen some other cool things that he has for sale as well. So he has the Delrin stamps, which are the inexpensive, cheaper stamps, which are start about $25, and then you can go into the brass ones that start about $50 and up. It's all based on size. Again, the brass ones you can do gold leafing and all kinds of stuff, and heat stamp it where you can't with the Delrin. I got these stamps so that when I do my leather wallets and stuff like that, or my leather gear, I can stamp them with my logos or my designs, plus all my leather gear, just so it don't get jacked. I have my logo stamped into it as well. Like, you know, you have your hold fast money maker, costs you a good chunk of change, and someone jacks it, this way you can identify it because you have your own logo in it, and it's not as ugly looking as if you wrote your name in there with a pen or a magic marker or something like that on the back of your hold fast. Again, if you're looking for some custom maker stamps or logo stamps, I would contact Adam at 6 Elements Workshop. Again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.